Okay, purpose of this sort of lesson is just to show you a couple of variations to the standard contour creation or mesh creation. You can see here on my demonstration that I've got the cottage, I've got a rectangular mesh, I've got some straight lines that I've converted into mesh, and also you can see I've got a curved line or a spline which I've also converted into a mesh. Now I need to show you a couple of things about how you go about creating this curve that's not as straightforward as a straight line. So I'll just deselect everything first. Right click, deselect all. And I want to use a curve to give me a more realistic contour line. That curve is down in the More tab in the left hand side here. It's called a spline. So click on spline. I'm just going to draw like a random sort of spline, something like that. To finish it, you click back onto this last point. And I'll zoom in a bit. And we probably want to clean up the ends of these splines so that they finish at the end of the mesh there. It used to be you'd push down the control button, but I can't find that trim button hotkey anymore. So up here you can see here's the trim command. Click on trim, and then oh no, it's not being very nice to me. I'll still be stuck in that mode. Okay, try it again. Trim. There we go. And wait for the scissors to become black. Click and see it trims it back to the next feature. Fortunately, you've got to keep on clicking on trim, which is a bit of a pain, but there's probably some hotkey you can do to do that. Okay. So then to add this spline to the mesh, you would do that in the same way you normally do things, but something you've got to change beforehand. Because we use the magic wand to select this spline to add to the mesh, you have to change the settings of the magic wand. By that I mean do this, go to options, go to magic wand settings, and yours will be defaulted to this. And down here I think this says 36 or something like that. Basically that means when you use the magic wand settings, it will put 36 points in along every arc 1 meter apart, which is going to mean every meter apart you're going to have 36 editable points, which is far too many. So what you do, you change it from best match to linear segments, change it from 36, which I think is the default now, to say 3. That means every every meter segment you're going to get 3 points. Click OK, and then just follow that same procedure as you did before. So go into the mesh tool, go edit, select all meshes, hold down the space bar to activate the magic wand, bring the magic wand over, click once, click OK, and you can see now you've added a number of points. If you thought that was too many, you could undo that. You could change the options of the magic wand from say 3 down to 2. Click OK. Repeat that same process, and you can see you can reduce the amount of points, and they're now editable points on that mesh. Okay, hopefully that was useful.